back to my channel, and today I'll just be taking you throughout my day with me. So it is Jamaica's Independence Day, August 6th, and I'm just going to show you how I prepare my breakfast. Yeah, the time is 12:50 in the afternoon. Yes, so it's my breakfast. This is normally the time I eat breakfast. I know that they say it's not good, but slept in a little later than I would normally today. I'm not really a breakfast person anyways, but just feel for this. So right here I have 4 cracked eggs, the small size eggs, and I have a can of sardine, and I've gone ahead and I've added my salt the way I like it for my preference, and I've added about half of a small tomato, and I've added about a little less, quarter of a small onion. Yeah, because I don't really like onion. I'm not an onion person. So I'm just going to make myself, should I say an omelette? No, I'm not going to make myself an omelette. I'm just going to just pour some of this in the pot and just fry me egg. So guys, I have my stove on a little lower than medium. I don't want the pot getting too hot. So what are you guys doing for Independence Day? Are you guys celebrating by partying, or just having a little social home call with your friends and family? However, I don't have any plans, like say to do any barbecue like I did Emancipation Day, or to cook anything fancy. I don't have any families and friends coming over today. I am going to meet my family. I'm going down by my cousin, and we're just going to just chill, just show you how we get together as a family and just chill and just have a nice time, because as I'm telling them, family big, so, and we're very close, so we're gonna get it on. Probably drink some more coconut rum. But I don't know if I feel the coconut rum still in, because like Cheryl and I, we got really fast when we did the never have I ever video. Like, me never know just a coconut rum strong. So I'm just going to go and pour just a little, because I'm making breakfast for only me. Omar has added the breakfast already, so it's only me. Get my plate and get my bread. So egg and bread it is. My bread I finish. And of course, white bread may I eat. Not tell me say it's not healthy. Only things gonna do not healthy. But you don't do it nevertheless. Something I will kill me, something I have to carry home. Might as well be one nice, 2 nice slices of bread, right? My brother done, by the way, we buy bread. So, get my bread. I am not going to be toasting my bread. I don't really want my bread toasted, so. Oh. Although I try to make the pot hot, it's like really hot. And this look like it's it's turning out to be an omelette, guys. Feel like what eat it, put it in the middle of my bread and make myself a sandwich. Get some of that added on there. So guys, remember to subscribe, share, and like my videos, and watch the entire video, and ensure that you drop your girl a comment and tell me what you want me to cook for you guys, because as I said, a girl can cook everything. Yes, and also what other videos you think that I should be doing. Do you want to see more social videos of me? Tell me what other videos you're expecting of me. And as I said, go ahead and tell me what you're planning for Independence Day, August 6th. And I know a lot of person going to chilling. I want you to go to chilling as well, down by Murray's chilling brunch, but not really my type of party. I like the regular chilling. I don't like the brunch. It's just too early, too early for me, because I think that starts 12 o'clock. So I'll definitely be looking forward to the one in October, if he keeps one in October. You know, this old COVID thing has thrown off a lot of things that I plan to do, because October is my birthday and I, you know, plan on turning it up a little. So I was planning on going to chilling, but I don't know if that will work out. Just go ahead and get a piece of antle so I can put my egg on it to, you know, get as much of the oil out of it as much as possible. So let me just, I leave none in the pot. So just dab my egg. Oh, let me just adjust the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm just, you know, dabbing my egg. As I said, trying to get most of the oil out. And I'm going to go and get my mayonnaise because I need that on my mayonnaise on my bread. And this is my breakfast. Somehow I was really hungry last night. I was watching movie late, like I went to my bed about 2 a.m. and I wanted to get up that time while I was watching the movie and make something to eat, but I was like, no, Rushell, it's too late. So I woke up with this sandwich on my mind, so I had to make it today, like the baby with a mark. I mean, know my baby mark. Yeah, so that's my mayo for my bread. I'm just going to go ahead and cover this and rest it in the fridge. I can always do a snack later with this. It won't be wasted, guys. I'm going to go ahead also and get myself some juice. The juice I finished too. When juice there, people, I'm going to drink water. You drink whole heap of juice when juice there here. That's what I said they made there, so. And just go and put my egg on my bread like that. And my breakfast is ready, guys. So guys, Omar bite my sandwich. Him say never want a breakfast and him just have to bite my sandwich. Oh. Guys, this is delicious. Second time having this. Always hear people talk about sardine omelette, but me always say what? So my mom made it one day for me and I'm trying it now for myself and it's pretty good. So guys, try this recipe. Tell me what you think about it. I think it's pretty good. And because I'm fried. So guys, I am dressed and I'm ready to leave my yard now. I'm going down by my cousins and we're going to drink, we're going to eat, we're going to, you know, just relax. chillax. We're just going to chillax. We're just going to have our regular, you know, family link up. That's what we did like almost every day. Because as I said, my family, we're very close. So, you know, we do a lot of this chillaxing. And today we will. I think Chevelle said that we will be playing a little bit of Monopoly. Oh yeah, I'm just going to run back in the house to get my taboo. Yeah, because I want to play taboo. It's been a minute. Yeah. So here's my taboo. And we are going to have so much fun. It's been a minute since we've played family games. So I'm definitely looking forward to getting our game on, getting our groove on. So I'll give you guys the update later. So guys, see Chevelle, chef in the kitchen making, what kind of wings you make, Chevelle?
Barbecue.
Chevelle doing barbecue wings. Then we're going to play a game. She's listening to some, I don't know, I guess she's feeling a little bit more Jamaican today, seeing that it is Jamaica's Independence Day. So I can't wait for your food start. And as usual, she have a little bit of food because she just always cook some unders at some. Why she about to take off a tip her wing there, so Chevelle on a KFC now? Kelly, come to my video, please. Why Chevelle wants to people, but she has shown them our homemade barbecue sauce, wings, and she's going to pop them in the oven right now. The oven has already been preheated, so in the oven we go. So I wasn't gonna cook any rice. I was gonna have some bread, but this crazy girl right here said she want rice with the wings. So she cooking rice. She cooking rice. She cooking rice. She cooking rice. Guys, in my defense, I only ate breakfast. You understand? I only saw breakfast I made this morning. Just and what's it called? Omelette, sardine omelette. So I am hungry. Bread now go all of this. If I die, let it be that hunger did not kill the eye. So guys, we're going hunting for the chairs. Oh, I just need to put on my slippers. Don't smash dust, man. Up the stairs we go. Chevelle, what is wrong with you? Me catch that just now. What? Look at them. Look at them. And look go back down. Sure.
We have to do in church class. You need to go upstairs and
Upstairs we do want to come in a while. We could have chill out here, so. Look, no, look at her. Look. This is a good chat. Sure. Kelly, bye. Look at that one. Look at that little rugrat. So what we're gonna put on outside then? They're on there, sir? My type of day. This is what the kid is watching. And then this is K, and K is making lots of bracelets for us. So she has made these already. Said that this is for Chevelle. This is for Chevelle as well. So go on, Kay.
Show them how to make the bracelet. See, she's eating the rice. May she call me greedy? Yeah.
I'm not greedy, no.
Okay. Cocoa mania, she will favorite. Turn her over. Pineapple juice today, though. I can't eat. We've got to change.
At an event, you play it at an event.
Violin.
Yeah, girl!
My marshal is sick, you know.
Alright.
You know who?
You remember when time you come and you come up and someone say, fly bonnet. But I never bonnet is before you do.
The who?
The chunk.
Chunk.
Yeah, my name. Alright, time.
Oh, two.
Marshall time.
2, 2, 1. Bang, bang.
The purple one, Marshall, the purple we're using.
You can bake it, and the story was when they bake it, it run away.
Bread.
Hold on, actually look like officer word with it now.
No.
Alright.
When they make it, it run away.
Train.
They bake it and it run away. You don't know the story there?
Gingerbread.
Wait, take off your mask.
Gingerbread.
I'm get it in.
You can bake it.
Roti. Pizza.
Pancake.
Some people use pineapple.
Turnover. Turn.
I'm not even what you say.
So make out what this name Anna pay me.
Put it there so. Give your back.
Budget.
Tax.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord. I mean, what budget?
Yes, taxes. These children always look
Hungry.
no. Oh, Mr. Kids.
Kelly, sit on this one.
Okay, excuse. Alright, so
Word, I mean,
it have 7 different colors.
Rainbow.
Okay.
I'm a red star.
Alright. People love to make this in the oven with
Pizza.
no, something else. It's a nice something we put in a
Casserole.
no.
Lasagna.
Yes.
No, for my wife.
Alright, this is a mark. This is a sign that when you ask
Shovel time. That's Venus.
But the way she did it, filling on the inside.
Donut.
They use different
Apple pie.
pineapple, apple, and it's a crusted pastry.
pie.
It's a crusted pastry.
Custard.
And no, it takes the shape of.
Oh my.
That was tart.
Oh, we could have did that.
A lot of people love to put it on the tea top.
Tea.
Cinnamon.
No.
Marshmallow.
Yes.
That means.
Would you ever say I'm sorry,
A lot of Peyton and Rajiv, they love play it. They run.
I don't
and
see.
see. Tag. Take out your seat.
Aye.
These flies or mosquitoes or I don't know what it is, but they keep
like
biting.
an alien.
call me Kay.
Pet name.
No.
Nickname.
Yeah.
No, no, yeah, we're pet name. I'm foreign game. I'm nickname.
Oh,
Dumb. We said first before you know. No, we said before if I don't.
dummy.
So guys, I am back home as you can see, and I wanted to bake a pineapple upside down cake tonight, but I didn't remember to go and get a pineapple, so I will have to bake that over the weekend. But right now I'm just going to get comfy, you know, put on my comfy clothes, go to my bed. Or not yet, not go to my bed as yet, because I go to my bed very late at night. So just comfy clothes, Netflix and chill, and yeah, that's it. So I see you guys when I see you guys, and if you haven't already, subscribe, please do so. Remember to hit that like button, and you know, share the video of me, and also shoot your girl a comment, talk to me nice. Until next time, lovies, Wow, good.
Out.